Alright, so now it's time to start working out. You'll notice there's a workout guide attached in the resources section. Download it. It outlines the entire 8-week course that we're about to do. So a little bit about how the video demonstrations go. At the very beginning, there will be an outline of the day's workout. This will be immediately followed by demonstrations of how the workout should go. This is normally called round 1. Immediately following round 1 will be a scaled routine that you can use to substitute different exercises based on your limitations, injuries, and strength. After the scaled routine, you'll find videos that cover the advanced exercises that are normally performed in rounds 2 and 3. Throughout all the videos, I will give specific cues specific to that exercise that will help you to perform that exercise better. There are also useful reminders to remember, like breathe, take breaks when you need it, and additional tips on how to improve the movement. If you do not feel comfortable performing the advanced movements, simply repeat round 1. The first workout of week 1 and the last workout of week 8 are what we call benchmark workouts. These are the only 2 workouts where you're required to count your repetitions against time. We do this so that you can compare your last workout and your first workout to see how far that you've progressed. You'll notice each week's demonstrations were filmed in different locations. This is just to show you that you can work out anywhere. I recommend you download a workout timer app for your mobile device. You can use a stopwatch if you like, but these applications make it easier for you to manage your time in the workouts. In the majority of the workouts that we do, the exercises will be split up to 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest. This is the sweet spot for high-intensity interval training, and in my experience, this has given the best results. When performing these exercises, remember, take a break when you need it. If you're feeling tired, faint, dizzy, out of breath, you can stop, you can drink water, you can always restart, there's no problem. And one cue that you'll hear me give a lot in these workouts is to breathe. Don't hold your breath, your body needs oxygen, your muscles, your brains, you have to breathe. That'll help you to have a more efficient workout as well. Generally after your warm-up you're feeling good, but that first round will still be quite a bit harder than the warm-up, so that first round can be taken at your own pace. But remember, that second and third round is when you really start to push it. If you like, set up a video camera somewhere in the room and videotape yourself, and that way you can go back and assess your movements to make sure you're performing the movements correctly. Everybody likes working out with a friend. Grab a workout buddy and have them do the workouts with you. If you're one of those people motivated by music, by all means, put that music on and let it motivate you. Alright, it's time to work out. Let's do this.